Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group B16 going to present about the RSI, which is Road Safety Inspection Project. Basically, our group consists of 3 members, which is including myself, INDRA PUTRA FAIZAL bin AZMI, the second one Amirul bin Hamid, and the last one Muhammad HUZAIFI bin HALIM. So let's begin with the first one, which is introduction. The PIARC World Road Congress has developed a systematic and globally recognized road safety inspection technique, which is overseen by the PIARC Technical Committee. In other words, a road safety inspection (RSI) is a systematic on-site assessment of an existing road or portion of road undertaken by experts to detect dangerous situation. To detect such as dangerous situation, flaws and indicate that might result in a major road collision. RSI aim was to remove or reduce the chance of a collision and its severity. Even the RSI just save one human life each year on examining road stretch, the resulting benefit would be far more than the cost. Accidents surprisingly unpredictable, human factor, vehicle factor, road factor, and environmental variable all have a role in causing road accident. Fatigue driver, poor road geometry, poor vehicle maintenance can all contribute to it. Age, mode, belief, and attitude all influence human perception and driving behavior, resulting in a wide range of a human-caused accident. The road environment includes a variety of characteristics such as a road condition, roadside condition, traffic numbers, operational speed, and the driving atmosphere itself. So the main purpose for this project was to find out either the SMK Bandar Tun Hussein on 2 has the criteria that fulfill RSI standard and the METRA guideline. So for the second one, which is the methodology, for the first one, SMK Bandar Tun Hussein on 2 being chosen. For the next part, we do some inspection, which is consists of 3 main points, which is by using an instant Google Street View and a Google Map to oversee the condition and also the situation at the Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bandar Tun Hussein on 2. And the second one, use the RSI for guide and checklist for a common sign at a school. Determine if there are any road safety RSA stage 5. And for the third one, which is the task distribution, we divided introduction, methodology, discussion, and also the conclusion into the different people. And the fourth one, record analysis the data, analysis of the school safety, which is either they have a school signboard and so on. So the last one is conclusion and making video. To conclude all the finding and do the discussion based on data, do the video about the work process and video presentation, and we publish it on a TikTok platform. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will discuss about part of the discussion. Okay, the RSI vacation. The objective of this research is to analyze the inspection of the signboard and road marking in front of the school chosen, which is Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bandar Tun Hussein on 2. To work on the inspection on the safety of main road in front of the school, the road safety audit report by Jabatan Kerja Raya JKR is used. Next, all of the signboards compared to the guideline by METRA to identify the amount of signboard allowed. Distance between each signboard to the road and roadside. Besides, the research also included common things that are needed in front of the school. As example, bus stop, bridge, waiting area, and many more. Google Maps used to see all the facilities clearly without needing to be on the site. You can see 600 meters from left school side, there is no warning road sign, example like speed reduction signage. According to the METRA guideline, the signage need to be to aware drivers. As you can see from the 600 meter from left school side, there is no signage for road bump. There also does not have proper yellow line before road bump. This can cause danger for the driver because of them do not notice the existence of road bump. Next, 600 meter from right school side, there is a lot of premise, but the area has been provided not suitable for the business to work because of the limited space of the road. If this continues, it might lead to the cause of vehicle accident in this road and also traffic jam. After that, 600 meter from right school side, there is no signage for road bump. There also does not have proper yellow line from before the road bump. This can cause danger for the driver because of them do not notice the existence of road bump. And then 600 meter from right school side, there is no warning road signs, example like speed reduction signage. According to the METRA guideline, the signage need to be built to aware drivers. It's also 600 meter from right school side and have the same problem is there is no warning road sign, example like speed reduction signage. Okay, that's all from me. We move to the next part.
Alright, my name is Amirul bin Hamid. My number matric is AA200767, and I would like to continue our presentation. So basically, this is our METRA. This is the METRA guidance to guide us to make this RSI project. So they have a two form that provided in this METRA guidance. For this is the guidelines. For the first form is identify the task and the specification and also standard of the school zone layout. And then the second one we used to solve the issue is the signage of on-site as a per requirement. So this is the two form that we use for METRA guidelines. Alright, this is our road safety inspection checklist for SMK Bandar Tundusan on dua area. For the first one, pedestrian crossing facilities with push button or without push button but with lollipop bicycle and pedestrian bridge are not provided at that school area. So number 2, provision of proper sidewalk to the school entrance, yes, is provided at school road area. Number 3, bus lay-by at bus stop if available, yes. For number 4, provision of traffic calming device at the main road adjacent to the school main entrance, example like speed table, hump or bump, yes, is provided. For number 5, provision of waiting area for parents, school van, etc., yes, it provided. For number 6, road marking is in a not good condition and not in clearly visible, so it's not provided in a good condition. So number 7, presence of large trees among the main road approximate diameter greater than 100 mm. No, it is a clearly road. For number the last one, nearby house premise within expect distance with direct access to the main road, yes, it's provided. So this is our RSI checklist for the SMK Bandar Tundusan on dua area. Alright, so we move to the conclusion. The conclusion of this project, we can conclude there are some weakness in the flow of traffic that should be present in the SMK Bandar Tundusan on dua area. The safety of the student will be threatened as a result of this. One, lack of proper pedestrian walk facilities and signage, example like pedestrian crossing facilities but not be maintained service for years. There is no warning road sign, example like the speed reduction signage, and does not have a proper yellow line before road bump are one of the factor making the road of this school unsafe for students and community. We hope that the relevant parties act issue on the atmosphere on the situation in the school areas is always calm and harmonious, and can reduce the number of road accidents involving school children, especially for SMK Bandar 2002 students. So we are at the end of the presentation. Indra, HUZAIFI and myself would like to thank you to all, especially Tuan Muhammad Irwan bin Sanik, for your guidance to complete our RSI project perfectly and on time. I think that's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.